Changing a flat tire. A step-by-step guide.
Find a safe location.
Turn on your hazard lights and apply the parking brake.
Put emergency triangle at least 3 meters behind the vehicle to warn other motorists.
Remove the hubcap or wheel cover if there is one.
Loosen the lug nuts.
Place the jack under the vehicle to raise it.
Unscrew the lug nuts.
Remove the flat tire.
Mount the spare tire on the lug bolts and tighten by hand.
Lower the vehicle.
Tighten the lug nuts and lower the vehicle completely.
Replace the hubcap or wheel cover if there is one. Stay in the game with our car care tips. Visit vw.co.za for more.